There's another and probably one of the last opportunities to buy Yeezy at retail on the Adidas Confirmed app. For example, the luxury third generation of Yeezy 700 are currently available in the Fade Salt colorway, so let's take a look at them in today's video. This sneaker first came out in September 2022, and today you can buy it again for $260. They are incredibly comfortable and stylish to boot. The perfect solid shoe for long trails with an Adidas Boost technology outsole that you can't go wrong with. They look impressive on feet, as you'll see next. What do you think about the Yeezy being available again? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.